Hi, this is Rita from Rita Long Art, and I'm here with Sandy Mackey and Legendary Real Estate, and I'm in the pink room. I called it pink, but it's kind of a peach pink room. And back behind me here is a painting that I did. Sandy was saying that it was Paris themed, and so I threw together a little mixed media. Paris is my favorite city ever that I've ever been to. It's truly the city of light. And so is this room. This room is just bright and airy. It's a little house in Canton, I believe, and Sandy has done wonders with it. You should come check it out. And I do a lot of work with them and for them, and I'm an artist, so obviously I did that painting, and I'm really try to get people, when I do a commission, my job is to get people's ideas out of their head and onto canvas or walls, because I do murals too. The other thing that I do is seascapes. That's kind of my favorite, other than Paris, is I love seascapes, and we've got a few of those around here. But the reason that I like to work with Sandy at Legendary Real Estate is that she really understands in her company why people have to do what is right for them. Being true to yourself. She is totally true to herself. She completely immerses herself in her clients and what they need and what they want. And she also strives for it to be a match so that it's a win-win for everyone. And that ability of hers to sync with someone, whether it's in art or real estate or building pools, is really what draws people to her. And just a joy to be around and see how she lives her life. It's meaningful and it's fun. Okay, tell me when.
When?
Oh, when. You're going to edit.